Hi everybody, welcome to Mike's Garage. I got a couple questions about the Filter Queen vacuum and what attachments are available if you really don't have a lot of a carpet in your home. I'm going to go over the SwiftMate. It's made to vacuum and Swift at the same time. Let's get to the workbench. Okay, this is the SwiftMate. It comes in two different versions for the old style and new style. It has a foam pad across the bottom. It has suction openings in the front and back. It also has bristles on the front and back. So it will vacuum and Swift all at the same time. The connectors are adaptable to either one, the old version or the new version of the Filter Queen vacuums. So that's not a problem. We have them in both. Now what you do is you have to push this lever, click that lever down, and the base comes off, and it has the standard connections for your Swift pad. So you put your Swifter pad in there, lock it in, both ends, holds it securely. Get this and just snap that back one to the bottom, and you're all set to go. Click it in place, turn on the vacuum, and you can do the whole room in using one Swifter pad because it has openings in the front and back to suck it up. Okay, hope that was a helpful video. It is a very handy attachment to have if you don't have carpet, you have hardwood, tile, linoleum, whatever. We have the right attachment for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me some comments and ask me some questions if you have more, or call me at the office. Thanks. Hey everybody, almost forgot. Hit that subscribe button. We need more subscribers, and ring the bell so you get notified next time we put a video up. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. We'll see you next time. Be safe.